Greetings, M Squared here today. For your asynchronous work, you are going to complete this chart, which is on page 7 of your note packet. You can do that with a calculator. I'm going to do some of it with you just kind of to show you, but you need to complete it for your asynchronous work and have it ready to use next class period because we're going to be using this chart when we solve our equations. All you really need to do is figure out what each of these equals and write it in. So 2 squared is 4. You might know that. That's all you do. 2 cubed, that's 4 times 2, so that's 8. 2 to the 4th power is 8 times 2, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Now if you want to, if you aren't good at multiplying, remember to fill that in, let me remind you how to do this with your calculator. So it says 2 to the 5th. So in a calculator like this, you would put the 2, and then you're going to hit this caret. We call this a caret key. You're going to see the little caret come up there. The next number means the exponent on the 2. And since we're trying to find 2 to the 5th, we go like that. And then we say equals, and it says 32. So that's one way to do it. You can just punch all those in your calculator. If you don't have a calculator, then you that has one of these keys, for example, if you're using your phone and maybe your phone doesn't have a calculator that has a caret key, then you can just keep multiplying by 2. So 32, just like it was 2 times 2, which was 4, and then I multiply by another 2, which was 8, and then another 2, which was 16, and then another 2, which was 32, and then I can just keep going, times 2, and get my 64. So you don't have to use that caret key, you can just keep going like this. And finally 256. So that's one way to do it. Okay, I'm going to explain how to use this next class, but for your asynchronous work, I want you to be able to have this chart ready because it'll be helpful. So 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 6 squared is 36, 7 squared is 49, 8 squared is 64, 9 squared is 81, and 10 squared is 100. Okay, so that's just kind of how you do it, and you're going to go and do all the rest all by yourself. I'll do one more for you. I'll do 4 to the 5th. I'll show you one more time in your calculator just in case. 4 caret 5, that means 4 to the 5th, and that says 1024. So I'm going to do 1024, and then you can do the rest. You just have a few more to fill out, and that's what you need to do for your asynchronous work today. Good luck with that. M Squared signing out.